Here's the InstaCuppa Mini Electric Chopper, which has a powerful motor of 400 watt. It comes with one touch press and release design, which is very convenient to use. Let's take a look at its parts. It includes an anti-splash cover which keeps the kitchen clean and mess-free. The chopper jar has a capacity of 500 ml and has an anti-skid base, hence it doesn't move while using. The 304 stainless steel blades are sharp and rust resistant. The whisk attachment is easy to assemble and can be used to make lassi, chaach, fluffy batters and creamy desserts. And here's the garlic peeler accessory. This entire chopper is very easy to assemble and it works only if it's properly assembled. This is the power cable of this electric chopper. Let's chop some garlic. So in goes peeled garlic cloves. Press the button a couple of times and you will get chopped garlic in seconds. Add some roughly chopped onion to the chopper jar and place the lid. Press the button a couple of times till you get the desired size of chopped onion. Not just vegetables, you can even mince chicken in this chopper. With its 18,000 RPM, it gives you quick result. Here you can see perfectly minced chicken. Next, I'm going to use the whisk attachment to whisk some egg. So add the eggs and press the button a couple of times till you get the desired consistency. And the whipped eggs are ready to be used. You can use it in fluffy omelette or to make cake or similar desserts. To make lassi, you need to add chilled yogurt, some water and powdered sugar to your taste. Whisk it for a few seconds and you will get nice and smooth lassi. Before using the garlic peeler attachment, we need to separate the garlic cloves from the garlic bulb. Next, you need to chop off the root part, that is the part which is on the top side of the bulb. Now place the garlic peeler accessory and add the prepared cloves. Place the lid and you need to press the button and release it a couple of times till you see that the maximum amount of peel has come off. Some cloves will be completely peeled and for some you'll have to remove the peel, which will be very easy to do now. I believe this chopper is a must-have for busy moms.